We're going to dig into the differences between the Noctua NH-D15 G2 versus the Liquid Freezer 3 360. In this video, we'll cover the key differences in looks and insulation, and then jump into performance. These two high-performing coolers offer some of the best cooling on the market. NH-D15 G2 is a dual-tower cooler with two 140mm fans, while the Liquid Freezer 3 240 has three 120mm fans on a 277mm radiator. For each cooler, you need to ensure you have enough room in your case to handle their dimensions. In regards to insulation, these coolers offer the industry standard in regards to insulation for the respective cooler type. However, the NH-D15 can be difficult to place inside the case due to its size, and some have found the Liquid Freezer 3 pump to be difficult to secure to the motherboard. However, we know you're here to see how these coolers differ in terms of performance, so let's dig into it. We've tested both coolers over idle, high, and overclock temperatures, and have two sets of charts to show you. One that looks at performance normalized by percent speeds, and one that looks at performance normalized by sound. In our first set of charts normalized by percent speeds, we have temperatures on the left, represented by the solid line, noise on the right, represented by the dashed line, and percent speeds on the bottom. For this graph, lower is always better. At idle, the Noctua NH-D15 G2 in blue has similar performance relative to the Liquid Freezer 3 240 in red. As we increase the wattage to 105 watts, we can observe that the Liquid Freezer 3 has similar performance to the Noctua NH-D15 G2 across all percent fan speeds. Additionally, the Liquid Freezer 3 is noticeably louder at the lower RPMs due to the pump. However, the Noctua has overall higher noise levels at the higher RPMs. It's important to note that the pump on the Liquid Freezer 3 was set at 100% fan speed and can be reduced when high performance isn't required. When we push the CPU to overclock levels of 130 watts, we can see that this trend holds. Next, we will look at noise normalized charts. But don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe if you're enjoying this content. In our second set of charts normalized by sound, we have temperatures on the left, noise on the bottom, with lower being better. At idle, both coolers have similar performance for a given noise level. As we increase the wattage to 105 watts, we can see that both coolers offer similar performance at comparable noise levels. And when we push the CPU to 130 watts, we can see that this trend continues. And if you're curious on how the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 240 compares to the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 360, you should check out this video comparing these two.